Best Elect Steamer Comparison. Electric food steamers are a versatile and health-conscious addition to any kitchen, allowing users to prepare meals without added oils, while preserving nutrients and flavors. Whether you're cooking vegetables, seafood, List number. Bella 2-tier food steamer with dishwasher-safe lids. The Bella 2-tier food steamer offers a spacious 7.4 quart capacity and a sleek stainless steel design. Its stackable baskets and removable base make it versatile for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Features like the auto shutoff and boil dry protection ensure safety, while the easy-to-read water level indicator adds convenience. In our tests, the Bella steamer performed well across various food types, producing evenly cooked vegetables and tender seafood. The stackable baskets make it ideal for families or anyone preparing multi-component meals. However, the plastic components feel less durable compared to higher-end models. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts, but the unit size may pose storage challenges. List 2. Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer. The Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer features a 5.5 quart capacity and a user-friendly digital touchpad. Its stackable 2-tier design allows for versatile cooking, while the delay start and auto warm functions add convenience. The included rice basket and egg holder expand its functionality. This model impressed us with its even steaming and intuitive controls. The delay start feature is particularly useful for busy households, and the auto warm function keeps food at the perfect temperature. However, the plastic build feels less premium, and the 5.5 quart capacity may not be sufficient for larger families. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option for small to medium-sized households. List 3. Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. The Cuisinart STM1000 is a premium steamer with a 5-liter glass cooking pot and a stainless steel steaming tray. It features 5 pre-programmed settings for seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual cooking. The LCD control panel and 60-minute countdown timer provide precise control, while the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. During testing, the Cuisinart steamer delivered exceptional results, with consistent steaming and minimal water residue. Its glass pot adds a touch of elegance and ensures no plastic comes into contact with food. However, its high price point and heavier build may deter some users. This model is best suited for those who prioritize performance and design over cost. List number. Ovente 2-tier electric food steamer for cooking vegetables. The Ovente 2-tier electric food steamer is a budget-friendly option with a 5-quart capacity and a 400-watt heating element. Its stackable, dishwasher-safe baskets and auto shutoff function make it user-friendly and easy to clean. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens. While the Ovente steamer lacks advanced features, it excels in simplicity and efficiency. It's ideal for single users or couples who want a straightforward solution for steaming vegetables or fish. However, its lower wattage means longer cooking times for denser foods, and the plastic build feels less robust. For the price, it's a great entry-level option. List number. The Veroline 3-tier electric food steamer boasts a massive 15-quart capacity and a powerful 1200-watt heating element. Its 3 stainless steel trays allow for simultaneous cooking of multiple dishes, while the digital touch panel offers 6 pre-programmed settings. Additional features include a 24-hour delay start and automatic keep warm function. This steamer is perfect for large families or meal preppers. The powerful heating element ensures quick and even steaming, while the delay start and keep warm functions add convenience. However, its larger size requires ample counter space, and the higher price may be a barrier for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's a feature-rich option for those with bigger cooking needs.